Hey y'all, it's your girl Simone. I did a little shopping today. Went to Bath and Body Works, pick up a few candles, and I just wanted to share a few cents with you all. Some that I like. Excuse me, eating brownie. So let's see. I bought maybe 6 of those just to pick up a few because I actually went to Old Navy and decided to run in Bath and Body Works. So let's see. All right, the first one I want to share with you all is actually their new fragrance, excuse me, called In the Stars, and I wanted to try this. Y'all, it smells so good, so good. In the Stars, y'all, you have to get one. It's not too strong, but still have a fresh home scent. No holiday scent, no cinnamon or nothing like that. It's just actually like a light perfume scent, in other words. All right, the next one I pick up, sparkling icicles. I wanted to try this because I never bought this one before. It smells pretty good. And in the store today, the candles were $11 off. So I want to say I paid $13.50 a piece, and then we still could have used the $10 off of 30. So what I did is I had 6 candles. I broke my order up into 2, so that was like $43 a piece, and I was able to use the $10 coupon actually twice. They typed it in for the store use, and then they used the one that I had on my phone as well. So I don't think that was bad. So that was that one. And I will probably pick up some more of the sparkling icicles because I actually like that. The next one was cactus blossom. I love this. I love this. I love this. It's not too strong as well. I like the actual home scent, not holiday scent. So it's pretty nice. I think I bought this one before if I'm not mistaken. All right, the next one we have is my favorite sweater weather. You can see that? You can see that? Sweater weather, and I love this. I actually bought so many of this last holiday. Last Christmas holiday, I burnt it all year. I was able to just keep refilling my candle holder, but it's nothing holiday scent wise. Like I said before, it's actually just a nice, soft perfume scent. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And let's see what this one is made with. It's made with sage, eucalyptus, essential oils with notes of juniper berry and fresh wood. It's real nice. It's nice and soft. I love it. All right, the next one I have, another fave, winter candy apple, which is also a holiday scent. Oh, these come out once a year. Christmas, fall time. I stock up on these as well. I'm actually waiting for the semi-annual sale where I can buy a lot of those and stack my cabinet up again so I can burn that one too. It's pretty soft. It's a fresh winter candy apple. It's not the other apple, the country apple. It's nothing like that. It's way better. And then another favorite, champagne toast. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. This is another one I actually love, and I buy this one year round as well. So I just wanted to show you a few of these. And I actually keep a lot of the candles burning in my home. Excuse me, I'm going to show y'all something. One second. Yo, this top came on the Magic in the Air by Bath and Body. This is so freaking beautiful. I actually been holding on to it because your girl is gonna swap the top of these tops off as a little decoration on the rest of these candles because I love it so much. I just thought it was just real cute. It was cute for a candle top. Like the tops I pick up today, well, the candles I pick up today, the top is real, a little design, but it's not much of a wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. So I'm going to keep this. I like this. I just think it looked like a little decoration to me. So I just wanted to share my buys with you all. I really didn't have much of time to pick up any body fragrances, but I do have an order coming in with some more goods that I'm going to share with you all. I think delivery on those are tomorrow. It's actually tomorrow. And I actually ordered those online because online they had a sale with the wallflowers, the refills. I think they were $2.50, and I use them all throughout my whole house. So I went on and purchased quite a bit of those online so I can have it delivered here because I actually had to work. So I wanted to make sure I caught that sale and my items are coming. Excuse the cap as well. But that's it for me. I wanted to share this with you all. Just a few faves that I pick up today. While I was in the Tang outlet in Louisiana. So I just wanted to share this with you all. Once again, thank you all for watching. I will be back soon. Also coming with a winter haul, winter clothing haul. So y'all, thank you for watching my channel. Stay beautiful. I love you guys. See you next video.